You've probably been hearing about the Downtown Civic Campus project, and you've probably seen a few maps shown around. But today I'm going to take you on a walking tour and show you what that looks like on the ground. We're starting here today at the city's new temporary City Hall location, located at 1200 and 11th Ave. You can access in-person services here, including utility billing assistance, the lift-up program, water utility payments, pet licensing, bus passes, and general customer support. The former City Hall site is currently planned to become Weld County's parking lot. Now we're standing on the corner of 10th Street and 11th Avenue, looking at what we're calling the West Block. This is the proposed Weld County Justice Center. Now on the corner of 9th Ave and 10th Street, we're looking at the Centennial Block. This area is intended for the Weld County administrative functions. Now if you look over here, you'll see the Trophy Block. As you can see, there's already some fencing and early site activity going on. This is the first block that is seeing changes and will support temporary parking. With a project this large, we're being mindful of parking and access. Now I'm standing in the Jura Block. So when we refer to the Civic Campus project, this is what we're referring to. The current concept includes a future City Hall, Greeley Evans District 6 Administration Building, and a hotel. So when we're talking about City Hall, D6, a hotel, public space, we're talking about the current vision for how this area could function as a connected civic hub. This project's goal is to make better use of downtown land and make a better economic impact. This is a long-term downtown investment meant to improve access to services, support local businesses, create new activity, and help downtown grow as a place where people want to work, visit, and spend their time. And because this project is progressing in different phases, the best place to stay updated is Speak Up Greeley. You can follow along with the project, ask questions, and learn more by visiting speakupgreeley.com.